news. Morning at the zoo. Twinkie the giraffe is asleep in the zoo. The woman enters and looks at Twinkie.
Wake up, Giraffe! Wake up, Giraffe. Wake up, Giraffe.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm surprised to see you today.
Why? I come to the zoo every Thursday to see you.
Oh, I thought it was Saturday.
My toy store is closed on Thursdays. That's why I come to see you on Thursday.
I like to see you.
Sad?
Sad.
What's wrong, Twinkie?
Oh, I want to make bread, sliced bread, and cakes, cookies, cupcakes.
I know you want to be a baker. So what do you have to do?
I know. I have to do it over and over.
Like
A
a
circle.
circle.